I left for Boracay alone with my daughter, but before we could even board our flight, we had a secret mission to pull off and a one night layover in Cebu that changed everything.
So guys, we are eating there. My bro is going to take us over there. It's quite early morning. And this is our first run in the morning in the Philippines. Guys, here in Toledo. Your mama is a little bit lazy. Hi guys, so we just arrived here finally for our long ride. Yeah. So I am really hoping the cake is still okay guys because the road is not really roading very rough. Like super rough. 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 Very, very rough. So we're here. Hi, Dailin. Nag-live ka? Oh. Okay ra ang video ko? So yes, we're surprising Ilan guys. Nabuntag. Okay, your surprise. Your bouquet.
Akin sa niligikan. Hala ka, pink. Offer na may
Thank you, sir.
pink.
Over to sa
Thank
pink.
you so much.
And also, you get some cake. Early Mother's Day daw.
Hala
Happy
ka.
early Mother's Day.
Hala, thank you so
Ice
much.
cream and cookies.
Akin sa niligikan dahil.
Just kidding.
Ah!
Yeah.
Hala, thank you so much for the early
She got
Mother's
some
gift.
big bouquet, guys. Big
And-
cake. So we're going back because we actually guys asked me if can have a breakfast, but like usually for Filipinos culture, everyone that if for example we're gonna visit in the house, they're gonna ask us, let's eat like that, and that's actually part of our hospitality in the Philippines. But actually I haven't yet had my breakfast, but I needed to head back because my baby is there in the house. And right now we are gonna ride back to Toledo, and we need also to go back to go to Cebu City. Yeah. So a very very long trip for us. Yeah. So we're here. This is the bottom part of the mountain. Yeah. So if you're asking how long from Toledo to here, it really depends because of the rough road. Supposedly, if it's a clean road, it's going to be like maybe 15 minutes to Aileen house. But because of the rough road, it's not. So if you notice that guys at the back, like they are trying to feel like that. So I remember when I was a kid, when I was young guys, usually me and my family we do that because we can sell it, and for like we can sell it for at least 50 pesos to 100 pesos or like even 30 pesos. It depends on how much we got, and we can buy rice like yeah, a corn rice like that. But right now it's everything is getting expensive. Hopefully it's getting expensive so that they can sell it in a little bit higher prices, not the same prices before. It's those times when way back I was a kid. Yeah, part of living also in the countryside people. And those experience I experienced those. So you can see this guys. So before this area is really like just not so wide as compared now. Like this area is not yet like this kind of wide, but because it keeps flooding and that's the reason why it gets more wider. There are some houses that got destroyed because of that. Yeah. So if you see that, also they are getting some bus. I'm not sure what's the really the name of the bus. Just yeah. But it's really much here in the Philippines. see that mountain, guys. Like in every like because our school is there, like far there in there. And then when it's flood, this area is like getting more flooding. It's not safe for us. So what we do as most of the students, we go to the mountains from our schools. So it's like we become a jungle students like that. But yeah, part of the experience. And if you know Gigi, guys, she got some history about like she almost got into flood. Like luckily that there is from the that school knows how to swim or like saw her. That's why she got able to save. And I think she stopped the time. Yeah, that's how sometimes it goes terrible, the floods over here. But still, guys, there's a lot of people living here. Why is it? Because like a free road, like a free land for them, like or like a hometown for them, like for me, like a homeland for me. It's hard to let go that where we came from. Hello everybody! So me and my baby guys, we just got in Cebu. So yeah, we just got in here in Cebu and just got settled in as well. I bought Bella water! She got some water, just me and you. So yeah, this is our room for tonight. Does she want some camera? Hello! So yes, so this is our room, guys. We're staying here in Hop End Hotel. I paid this hotel like for around 1,800, almost 1,900 per night, included for taxes. So just me and my baby here. Yeah. She got her, she's looking for her place to roll around, and I just let her. Okay, go baby. So this is our CR, guys, or like comfort room. So this is me, your Filipino wonder over there, and you got this. Actually, guys, I thought like it's not really this fancy like in regards with their toilet, like because the room is really quite small. Yeah, not so big, and so far it's nice, clean, very clean. We're staying here. Hop in. And there's no name on it. Yeah, hot and cold shower. They got that. And hair dryer. So this is what you got, guys. We are staying like in Ayala areas. So we're really not far from Ayala Center. So expected that the price are quite higher. That's why I'm paying for like 1,900. Like around that amount. Because the reason why I'm staying here, because I am planning to go with Bella tonight, going to the kids playground in Ayala Center, and very convenient, so we can just walk around there, not paying for the grab and stuck in the traffic for long hours, cause for sure during nighttime it's gonna be traffic. Yeah, so this is our room over here. Yeah, Bella's really enjoying herself over there in the mirror. Yeah, and then we got televisions, Wi-Fi, chair, and this is the bed. Let's see the outside. What's the outside? So this is the view. Yeah, we're in the 14th floor. Oh my God. I miss Cebu. It's really been a while that I've been here, guys, in Cebu City. That's why it's not really that, like, so it feels like, welcome to Cebu City! Oh, wow, you're standing now! Standing. Cha-cha! Huh? Cha-cha. Kiss my mouth. You're so cute! I am super happy that Bella's really enjoying and not always fussy. She's not crying. Like, we had a long trip all the way here to Cebu City. But yeah, super exciting for me, especially for the first time going to travel with Bella. And yep, gonna be alone with her as well, because most of the time with my families, my
friend or like my siblings. Yeah. So good luck with me. Good luck with me. Na. But their bed, guys, is super comfy. Yeah. Hi everybody. So we are going to Ayala Center. I'm gonna tell you the story of Ayala Center that I know there are some YouTuber who tells in regards with Ayala. But first, Bella is super excited. So like she really cannot wait to go down. So right now we're going down. I'm so excited. It's finally we're back in Ayala Center. It's really been a while. As you can see, guys, it's quite busy here, and it's really different from like where I live. Like I know some of you saw my vlog and saw sometimes on my screen that it's not really like this kind of busy because this is Cebu City and we are in the province, like 3 hours away, and this is like in the center of Cebu City. So we're here. We're like a baby in it. And she's really enjoying it. She worked as well. I felt like it's not gonna be that successful. It's not gonna be that fun. But yeah, she's fun. Oh, she's not a kay but she was so scared of the elevator. We are going to have our dinner. Yeah, we're going to have our dinner here at Brace. Our baby needs to. She's so beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. Now, someone's watching some Cocomelon while waiting for our food. I'm good, she's not really for baby, guys. That's why I'm not really having hard time. So we're here in Ayala Mall. We're going to have dinner here. So now we got the mushroom curry, and I'm gonna feed this little one. Thank you. I'm just gonna mix this one to that mushroom soup. But they are all still hot. No? Oh my god. We decided to go home, guys, because Bella is already sleepy. No, she is really behaved. Oh my god. Oh, it's really nice, guys, to feel this kind of day, like just me and her. Yeah, and we are going to the hotel. I decided just to take a taxi instead just walking because even though it's 7 minutes away, but I got a lot of stuff with me because we went to Watson as well. And for the taxis here in Cebu is that for the taxi here, guys, like in every entrance or exits, they're just there, just there, like they're always there waiting for the passenger. So for that, you're not gonna feel tired of waiting, because they're already outside. City is way more convenience compared to province, because in the province not really that same like here. Yeah, so you're gonna sit down, huh? She's really babe. I love this baby. Hop in me, kuya, ha? Okay. Thank you, kuya. We just got home. We just got home. We just got back to the hotel. There are little one. Let's go. Baby. I'm so proud of her, guys, because she's not really a crybaby. Yeah. We left without bringing anything. Huh. We need our card. She's scared of the elevator. She's scared, guys. No, it's okay. Ready? Are you worried? Scared? We're here in the airport right now. Finally, we're done checking in, and I'm trying to give her some donuts. She woke up like the same time as me. We're really like mother and daughter because we wake up super early and sleep late. I was about to get her some porridge there, but like we're almost there for our boarding time. And finally, actually, guys, oh my god, I had really a struggle earlier with this one. I don't know how to adjust this one, and gladly there is someone from the airport to help me to how to adjust it, and finally I did it. I really thought I know, but like I can't tell how to do it. Like, but the guy taught me how to, and then finally I'm able to learn how to adjust it. It's quite challenging and it's quite exciting as well. Like, especially Bella when during my check-in, like I was trying to check in some other things. Like, she wants to go down, but she wants to scroll around, and the people there in the airport, they were really having fun of her. Like, because he said like, "Good kitty baby." So yeah, my angel. But I'm gonna get used to it.